Hi everyone, I am Manil Kumar, motivational speaker. Today I would like to speak online and offline exams. According to my view, online exam is the best or offline exam will be the best. I am going to explain today because it is very important that we should know how it is online exams will be conducted and offline exams will be conducted. So we need to know as a LLB students we should know about it. So that is the reason today I am making this video, which is the best one, online or offline. According to my view, there is no other intervention in this video. There is no any kind of views have been taken from anybody. This is my own view I am expressing in this video, so that you will come to know which is the best method we can go for from under KSLU, Karnataka State Law University, Hubli. As you all know, before 2 months back, KSLU have given one Google Drive forms to be filled and uploaded in the link actually. So all our KSLU students, LLB students like 3-year LLB, 5-year LLB students, they have been uploaded their views. So I didn't know that KSLU, what is evaluation made, what is, I didn't involve it and I don't know about it. But as per my view, I am expressing in this video. What are the questions they have been asked? I can go one by one in this video. So in this question itself, I will express my views. What would be the best, whether it could be online or offline. Online, why they are been conducted, they have been tried for it means, as you all know, Corona is a big danger disease. It is spreading like anything. So that is the reason they have tried for it, but it is not possible to conduct online examinations. What are all the practical difficulties into it? They came to know that. I will go with one by one questions so that I can able to express my views in this video. Questionnaire to students. First question is your choice of mode of examination. Optionals is online and offline. Some of them have made it online, some of them made it offline. Who have been made it online, who have been well expressed with like laptop using, and maybe they are available in city. So overall rural students, most of the rural students, they have not opted for online examinations because rural we don't get any internet facilities, we don't get any laptops with the students. Many of the students, they don't know really how to operate the laptops, and even they do not have laptops, whereas urban students, most of the people have laptops with their studies. Some of the students which are available in rural, they don't have laptops because financial crisis they are facing it. So that is the reason many of the students have been opted online and many of the students have been opted offline. Then second question is, do you have access to laptop or desktop computer? Answer is yes or no. Many of the students have made it yes, many of the students made it no. I will, in my view, most of the students, they don't have access to laptop and desktop, because we need to see overall the scenario what it is, and across Karnataka we have to think about it. So many students are from rural, so many students are from what we call urban. So it is very difficult that to maintain difficulties in their examinations. Then third one is, if yes, it belongs to yourself, a member of your family, friend, neighbor. The laptop may be available with you, maybe your friends, maybe your relatives, so it is there, but if doesn't know how to use it, a laptop, it is very difficult to answer in online. Offline we can write it very easily, but online it is very difficult. The next question is, does the device, laptop or desktop PC, have internet connection? As you all know, if you go to remote sections like Malnad, there are many forest areas or rural areas, still they do not have any 4G connections. So in 2G we cannot able to operate internet. This is very big task to conduct online examination for all students. The next question is, does the device, laptop, desktop, have sufficient power backup? The backup is required to mandatory to operate the laptop. Without that battery backup, we cannot able to type in the laptop. Especially it is very difficult to type. Many of the students, they don't know how to type it, and typing speed is very less. So in that situation, our students will be going to fail. According to my view, it is very difficult. Online examinations, it is practically very difficult. It doesn't mean that it is not possible. Everything is possible. Only thing is that very good organized manner we can do it. Otherwise, if not organized well, we cannot able to do it in the online examinations. The next question is, does the device, laptop or desktop PC, have a front camera or webcam? Answer is yes or no. Everywhere laptop they have webcam, but desktop I don't think so much. The modern desktop will be available web cameras, and the old desktop, they do not have web camera. The next question is, if examination is conducted online, do you have sufficient knowledge to operate the device independently? This is what I have explained earlier. It is very difficult to operate laptop or desktop. Many of the students, they don't know how to operate it. That is the main big task. We cannot able to operate. Many of the students, most of the students, they don't know how to operate the laptop. Without operating laptop or desktop, how we can write it in the examinations? It is very difficult, no? The next question is, do you have the necessary typing skills, English, Kannada, or type? The answer in the online examination. Really, I do not know how to type Kannada language. Means Kannada language, I don't know how to type it. I can able to type English. In Kannada, I don't know. The Kannada typing, we should well versed. Those who are writing in Kannada, Kannada typing is mandatory to learn, and they should very expert in that typing speed. Then only they can able to write very easily in the online examination. But all the views, the first point is, many of the students, they don't know how to operate laptop or desktop. This is first point. The second point is internet connection. Everywhere interconnection is not good. Stability will not be there. Remote areas, for them it is difficult to write online examinations. Then third drawback is, many of the students are not well versed with typing skills. They don't know much about, they don't have much speed about typing speed. It is mandatory that typing speed, if typing speed is good, then we can able to write online examination very easily. And then internet connections may be available, may not be available in remote areas. It is very fluctuations will be there. In that, if we in fluctuations means it is very difficult to operate desktop or laptop. So that is the reason. If see overall view, if we organized well manner, means for every students, we may not say in between the laptop power will gone, in between the technical they don't know how to operate it. There are so many risks are there. Examination time is very precious. In that time anything happens due to technical problem or any kind of related problem, they may stuck in the laptop devices. There are many things which they cannot able to write online examinations. According to my view, online is the best, sorry, offline is the best to write examinations LLB. Of online it is very difficult to write in the examination. In all overall view, I am talking about overall Karnataka students views. I am talking about means their difficulties. Even I am also from rural background, I know the difficulties of rural background. So many of them are not knowing how to operate laptop or desktop still. So that is the reason it is not possible to make exams, online examinations, especially under Karnataka State Law University. This is my own view I am expressing with you all. Offline is the best method to conduct examinations. If you write offline, you will have sufficient time to write your examinations. So without any problem, you can write easily offline exams. So you can share your own thoughts, views in my YouTube channel. The like comment section you can able to type it and express your views, whether it is online based or offline based. You can able to give feedback. The feedback also important for us to make videos more and more. Please do subscribe my channel Anil Kumar KT, so that you will get good videos about LLB. So it is mandatory that we have to upgrade our knowledge day by day. Everything is possible, even online also possible. The thing is that we need to organize well, and we need to give proper education to all. Everybody now, all lawyers are advocates. It mandatory to drafting skills in the computer. In the computer they have to type. There are so many drafts, and they have to use computer values. So my advice is to please join computer courses as much as possible, wherever, whenever and wherever you get time. Please join computer course and get at least minimum basic knowledge of computer. If you have minimum knowledge of basic computers, definitely we can able to write online exams. But the thing is that all students, they don't have much knowledge about basic knowledge about computer. So that is the reason it is not possible to conduct online examinations. Once again, I would like to thank all of them who have been subscribed to my channel, and I am requesting you all, please share as much as possible your friends, relatives, so that they can get benefited this channel Anil Kumar KT. Thank you.